Alright, let's kickstart sharp. Alright, okay. We are still in the Igbo class. For those of you who want to learn Igbo, please stick to this channel. We have a lot of tons of Igbo classes here. Okay? Alright, so today we'll be looking at Nzisa ozi, which is what? Communication. Nzisa ozi n'ụzọ ọdịnala, that is traditional system of disseminating information in the Igbo land. Okay, in the time past, before the invention of the modern technologies that are used today, the Igbo people have our own way of disseminating information. That is the method in which we use in disseminating information. Now look at the ways. Number one is that we have oku onu, which is by what? Oral message. Oral message. This is the act of sending somebody on errand, either to go and inform somebody else of something or even invite the president. The next one is site n'iku ekwe maọbụ ogele. That is through the beating of the wooden or metal gong. Through the beating of the wooden or metal gong. You can see them there. Wooden or metal gong. Okay? Now have these ones. Okay, we have these ones. The third one, which is what? Niji omunku. That is through the use of tender palm front. Igbo people use the tender palm front in a land just to let people know that it is in dispute. Now, it can also be used on a road that people are not supposed to pass. The means of information dissemination. The next one is Niji Oja. That is through the use of flute. We use flute, which is Oja, to make an announcement. Then flute is another traditional way of communication. That is masqueraders use it to communicate with the spirit. So that even wrestlers self. Okay, the next one is Site Niji Ikoro. That is through the use of big gong. You can see it there, Ikoro. See the picture. This thing is called Ikoro, which is big gong. This one is used to invite the entire village to a meeting and so much more. Okay, we have these ones, although Nzisa ozi nke ugbu, that is the modern system of communication. So as you have ekwenti, which is telephone. It's called in English telephone. So in Igbo, telephone is called ekwenti, or you call it telephone. You already know what it's being used for. The next one is computer. Look at the Igbo, look at the English translation there. Send email, is email, and go to websites and seek for relevant information that you may need. Okay, other means of communication is you have radio there. You see radio, Igbo people use radio as well. We have newspaper, which is akụkọ. You can see it there in Igbo, in English as well. We have the next one, which is TV, which is onyonyo. In English, it's called television, but in Igbo, it's called TV or onyonyo or ihe onyonyo. Okay. Okay, so this is where we'll call it a day, and we'll continue at subsequent time. So please do well to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to your friends that are interested in learning Igbo, and if you want us to teach you face to face or through online how to read Igbo, or how to know how to read Igbo or write Igbo, just comment below. Comment below, and we will respond. We'll get back to you. So go to the channel, subscribe, and be part of us.